The introduction has grown on me so much, I've actually decided that I'm going to use it as a chorus. But I need to add and change a few things. I'm going to start by copying and pasting each track I used in the introduction. So let's start here, the first one. I'm going to right click and copy. Now I'm going to go to bar 17 where I want the chorus to start, right click and paste. Now at the moment this is much too long. This is the 16 bars of the introduction and I only want 8 bars, so I'm just going to shorten it by going up to the right hand corner, waiting for those little arrows to appear and dragging it back to bar 15. And I'm going to repeat that process 3 more times. Next track, right click, copy, click on bar 17, the start of the chorus, and then right click, paste. Again, it's too long, so scrolling backwards until it stops at bar 25. Right click, copy on the bass track, click on bar 17, come down to the track, right click, paste. That's perfect. Now the melody or tune, right click, copy, click on bar 17, right click, paste. This time it's too short, so I'm going to extend it to bar 25. And finally, the little effects here, right click, copy, and let's put it, I think it is just there, right click, paste, and there we have a copied chorus. But if I left it like this, it would be exactly the same as the introduction. So this is where I need to add something. I'm going to look over to the loops, find the pack I used, and I'm looking for a beat. I'm going to try this one. I'm going to drag it in and put it around there, starting at bar 17. It's not quite on the line and I need to be very accurate, so now it is, and I'm going to extend it to bar 25. I want it to play from bar 17, so I'm going to click up there and have a listen. So there are a couple of things I need to do. The first one is go up to the lyrics and notes area and make a note that the chorus, which is what I'm now working on, and the beat I'm using is called Dream Beat. I think we can close that now. And I'm also going to change the name of this whole track just to Beat. I'd like to make the chorus different from the introduction And so I've got to think of a few things that I might change that will make it more interesting. So what I'd like to do is use the slice function to cut out parts of this melody. Firstly, I'm going to go to bar 19 and I'm going to do a slice here. So I right click and slice. And now we can see that that section has been cut. And right click again and delete it. And I'm going to do the same here. I want to get rid of this area. So I'm going to move the cursor, the marker, right click, slice, and delete. Let's have a listen to that. Okay, I like that change, and in fact I like it so much I'm going to take this section out of the introduction. So clicking on bar 15, put the marker in place where I want to slice, right click, slice, and then right click, delete. There's another trick I'd like to try, which is to shorten elements of this chorus. I'm going to click on this track. This is the guitar, synth and keys track, and I'm just going to drag it back for one bar. So it stops at bar 24. I'm going to do the same with this, the bass track. And I think the drums too. Let's have a listen to this. We'll take it from here, I think. Okay, that makes it different, but it's still not quite right. I think we do need something here just to fill the space. And what I think I'll do is cut or slice this, the melody, and use it in this little bit here. So let's put that bar 22, right click, slice. And I'm not going to delete this, but I'm going to copy it. And this is the end of it. So let's have a listen to this riff. So it's in two halves now. And I've copied the end half. And I'm going to try it at bar 24. So right click, paste, and there it is. Let's have a listen. I think I'm getting there, but there's still a few things I'd like to change. One of them is to take out this effects, because I think it clashes with the vocal here. Let's have a listen. So I think that can go. Right click, delete, so that it's now not competing with that sound. Let's have a listen from the beginning of the chorus. Yes, I like that a lot. The last thing I want to change is the actual tempo of the whole song. At the moment it's set to 85, and I think it could be a little faster. So I'm going to go up to here, double click, and on the keyboard I could add the number 90 beats per minute, and enter. Audio stretching, and would I like to change it from 85 beats per minute to 90? Yes, I would, so I'm going to press adjust. There it is. The final check is to listen to both the introduction and the chorus to see if they sound good together and feel like the same song. So let's go up here to go back to the beginning and play. Yes, I'm really happy with that. So all I need to do is save my work. And I'm ready to start the next section, which is going to be a short break.